Hi, good morning everybody. Thank you so much for tuning in at Quality Sewing Vacuums. Just wanted to talk to you guys about how to get your house ready for the holidays. You know, it's coming up. Before you know it, it's going to be Thanksgiving, then Christmas, and then New Year's. We have some fantastic products here at Quality Sewing that will allow you to be able to clean your house in many different ways. What we want to talk about first is we're going to talk about our E-Cloth display. So E-Cloth is a company that makes really great cleaning cloths that you don't have to have any chemical to use to clean with. It's all water-based. And they have everything from this absolutely fantastic mop for doing hardwood floors, getting all the dust underneath your couches and things like that, because this is a very low-profile mop, and it's got a washable head on it for you. Also, they have everything from glass cleaner to your stove tops to countertops. These cloths are amazing, and you can wash them and reuse them over and over again. So they're very cost effective, and if you really want to keep your house green and not use any kind of chemical base, this is a fantastic product. Now, let's say that you have to use a little bit of stronger cleaning solution in some of your household items, like maybe your bathtub, your shower. You want to get that all ready before company comes and stays over at your house, your toilet, those kinds of things. We actually carry a product called Clinko. What is fantastic about Clinko is it is a local company. It's made here in Everett, Washington. It's been around over 30 years, and they make a full line of cleaning products. From everything from Carpet Bright, which is for carpet cleaners, and which we're going to talk about that in a little bit, but it's a fantastic shampoo for carpet cleaners. We have Effortless, and it's exactly what the name says. This is a spot eraser, doesn't require any elbow grease. You just put this down on a spot, work it a little bit, and it will clean your spot. It's also great to put on in your laundry room. So instead of buying those expensive cleaners at the market, you can actually spray this on your clothes, and it's a really great product to get those stains out of your clothes. One of the popular items with Clinko is Kitty Scram. Kitty Scram is an enzyme that will actually eliminate urine odors. We're talking dog, kitty, human, any kind of urine odors. This will eliminate it. It is amazing. It's a product that's been around a very, very long time, and it's probably one of our most popular units that we sell here at Quality Sewing. We also have Mop Mate. So Mop Mate is a product like if you have a Bona mop cleaner at home, or you have a Swiffer with a mop with the liquid, instead of buying that really expensive refills, you can take the cap off and use Mop Mate. It's designed for those types of machines, and they're really a great cleaner for your floors, and it won't leave any kind of buildup or any kind of film. So that's a great product we've had. A couple other ones I want to just talk about here with you real quick is we have Red Medic. Now, I love Red Medic. I love drinking red wine, and if you accidentally spill a glass of red wine, this is the product you want to get it out of the carpet. Remember, at the holidays, people come over and there's lots of kids and people. There's juices and wines and all kinds of things that can get bumped and spilled. This will actually eliminate red dye coloring that gets into your carpet or into your carpets, or any other kind of thing you're wanting to get the wine out of. So Red Medic is a great, great product. Definitely come in, take a look at the full array of Clinko products we have. We have just about everything for whatever your cleaning needs are. Then we are going to talk about Nelly Wow Mop. Now, I know a lot of you guys are customers of ours, and you probably have one of these already. This is the best thing invented since the doorknob when it came to floor cleaning. And what is really great about this machine is, first of all, you'll notice there's no cord on it. And if you watch, I'm going to demo this real quick for you. There's two pads here that pull right off, and they're washable. You can wash this up to 100 times. Just don't dry them. Let them dry. Don't put them in a dryer. But just dry them naturally, and then just put them right back on, and you're ready to go again. And this is so easy. Watch what this does. So I'm going to turn this on. See how that agitates back and forth? I've got a button here that I can spray some solution on the floor. Nelly has a fantastic lemongrass solution that they recommend right here, but you can use any other solution for machines like this. And notice how this swivels and pivots, lays completely down. And what I love about this, let's say you want to get up and underneath those baseboards a little bit, you can actually take this, move this pad out just a little bit, That's going to take that and it will go right up and get underneath those baseboards for you and get all that dirt and debris that's underneath the counter. So this is amazing. It makes you almost want to mop your floors. It's super easy. And the best thing about this, kids love to help mom and dad out vacuuming or mopping their kitchen floors with this product. Also, we have some really fantastic other products of Nelly. We've got our dishwashing soap, which is great. We also have our laundry soap that Nelly is famous for. That's what they've been around for so many years, selling cleaning products. And now they came out with this, the Nelly Wow Mop. This is an amazing machine, $199. It's a great gift too. If you quite not sure what to gift that mother-in-law or that mom or anybody else in the family, this is a fantastic gift. They'll love you forever on this machine. We're gonna just kind of go right on over to some more cleaning. I know this whole show today is talking about cleaning, getting your house all ready for the holidays. Well, we have a full selection in stock at our store of carpet extractors and spotters. These have been challenging to get this last year or so with everything that's going on, but we actually have a large supply ready to go. They're in all of our locations, so you can go into any one of our locations or online and get this product. First of all, what I want to do is I want to talk about this Hoover. This Hoover carpet extractor is the pet carpet extractor. So not only is it designed for doing carpet cleaning and really getting out all that pet debris out of your carpet, like the little footprints that come in from the dog in this rainy season we're having, or if a dog, or if you get a puppy for Christmas and it has an accident. This is something you want to have around in your house. It also has all of your tools. So it's going to have a hose, and it's going to have a really great upholstery tool for cleaning the upholstery. Let's say somebody's sitting on the couch and spills a drink. This is something you can use to clean up. Or what I always find that after the holiday dinners, dining room table or dining room chairs with the cloth chairs, they always have little spots and dribbles in them from people dropping things. This with the hose on here is a great tool for getting those all clean. Now, if you look at this and go, oh gosh, Ken, I don't know. This is a little big for my house. I have a condo or I have a smaller house. I don't really need this. Then what we have for you is the Hoover Spot Eraser. Isn't this thing awesome? So this is, again, another great gift. Now this is a really good gift for men, by the way, because this you can take out and do your RV, you can do your boat, you can clean out the car, shampoo the rug, floor mats and the rug, shampoo your seats, whatever you want to do. What's really great with this is it's small and portable. It's got a hose right here with your upholstery tool. You put your soap in here, your clean water. This will actually spray and suck up the water just like this one does. And it is an amazing little spotter. We have these right now for $119. Fantastic deal, really a great unit to have. Everyone should have something at home that will be able to clean carpets and upholstery and things like that. And we offer you two really good options at this time. Then one of the things that we like to talk about and that is so popular is cordless vacuum cleaners. So there's been a lot of brands out there that make cordless vacuums, and some are okay. Some are, their run times aren't very long, maybe about 5-10 minutes before the battery dies. Well, what's really great, we carry Miele. And Miele is a German company, and this is actually a made in Germany cordless Triflex stick vac. And I'm going to hold this up so you can see it. This unit is amazing. And we actually have more of these coming in. This is called their home care version. And I'm going to just show you how handy this is. So this pulls back. This will swivel and pivot for you. You'll notice the low profile, again, will get underneath the toe kicks of your kitchen and bathrooms, which are great to pick up all the fuzzies and hair and dust and debris. But what I really love about this machine is the brush roller on here is a variable speed brush roller. So when you're on bare floors, you don't want a brush roller going so fast that it's flinging dirt all over the place. Have you ever ran your vacuum across a bare floor and you got your bare feet on and you feel little things hitting your feet? Well, that's not going to happen as much with this machine because the brush roller is variable speed and it slows down. But once I get it on carpet, then the brush roller speeds up, so it will actually clean and agitate carpet really well. So I'm going to just kind of demo this here real quick for you. I'm going to turn this on. I can do bare floors right here. I'm going to just go right by Carrie here for a second. And now I can do carpet. And if you notice my hand, basically 1-2 fingers for balance. This is super light, really easy to use, very quiet. and has a runtime up to 60 minutes. So you can actually get a lot of housework done with this little unit. It is a bagless unit, pulls right off. You just open this and the dump cup drops down. Now, you might say, gosh, Ken, that is a really small cup. And it is. And I have a black lab at home named Nick. And Nick sheds like there's no tomorrow. And I use this machine every day in my house when I'm home. And this cup does fill up. All you do is just dump it and you're ready to go again. So there's really no cost to having to like buy anything for it because of the small cup. You just dump it and reuse it over and over and over again. Then, the other thing I love about this, anybody in your household have long hair? Or do any of you guys have a sewing room? One of the things that really kills vacuum cleaners, especially these little brush rollers that you'll see in the Dysons and Sharks and other brands that are out there, these little brush rollers wrap up with hair and string, and it really destroys their roller. And they're difficult to get out because you have to take all these little screws out of a plastic housing and hope that you don't break the housing. Well, Mila fixed that. Look at this. All you do is open this little door, this pulls right out. You can get in there and clean out all of your thread from your sewing room, or your kids' long hair or your long hair, or for us men that are losing our hair. This will actually be really easy for you to clean. All you do is just take it and then put it right back in, and it's ready to go again. Isn't that amazing? It is so nice. I love this unit. Also, you might want to know why they call it triflex. Well, I'm going to just show you. There's 3 positions this machine will go to. You've got your regular position like I like this. But if you'll notice here, I'm going to simply disconnect the wands on this, and guess what? I now have, and I'm sorry, I'm not bringing tools that come with this machine. I now have a battery-operated, very powerful handheld vacuum that I can run out and I can go do the car with, I can do stairs with, I can do upholstery because tools will snap right on here. If I want to, I can actually take this, reverse this to this direction now, and I can put it on like that. So this will allow me to get completely flat and get down underneath beds and low furniture that you might have in your house. So these are a very versatile machine. This little unit will have a 3-year warranty with it, parts and labor, and nice thing is, we are the warranty station, as a lot of you folks know. So if you ever have a problem with anything you buy from Quality Sewing, you can bring it right back into us, and we can take care of that for you. And this snaps together just this easy. Now, one thing that I wanted to mention to you, anytime you have a vacuum like this at home, or maybe you have a canister vacuum at home, if you've ever had a problem trying to get the wands apart, you saw I was trying to pull that wand off for a little bit. What happens is sometimes dirt and debris will get in there. The best thing to do for that is to take some pledge and a rag and wipe all the connections on your canister and your upright vacuums where your hoses are, and it will keep that operating freely and not get stuck. So kind of a little point there to talk about. Now, finally, you know what? We have the holidays, like I've talked about, people tracking in all kinds of things. And a lot of us have like Christmas trees at our house. And after the Christmas tree season is over, Christmas is over, we have to get out there and go pick that up. Well, you need a really good, strong, powerful vacuum to do that. Sibo is, in my opinion, one of the top vacuums on the market. This is a German company. They make an amazing product. And today I want to talk about the Sibo Pet. So the Sibo Pet is an upright vacuum cleaner that has, as you can see right here, some basic attachments. You got your nice dusting brush. On the back of it, you have an upholstery brush. You also have a crevice tool with this machine. And your hose pops right off. And now you've got a nice hose to go around corners and edges. Now, have you ever had a vacuum where you go to use the hose and it kind of tips over on you? That can happen. So the best way to use a vacuum with a hose on board is this unit has nice big wheels, and they're rubber wheels. Tilt this back, and now I can just pull this around like a little canister and do all kinds of corners and edges and cleaning with it and not have any worry. But there's a couple things that's really nice with this machine. Have you ever got your hose clogged? If you've had a hose on a vacuum cleaner of any kind, especially around this time of year, you get the leaves and you get the little twigs and now the pine needles coming up. This unit, the hose comes apart, and you can actually pull this off and clean out the hose. So you don't have to take it into us or another shop to get it serviced. You can also take the hose and stick it in this way reverse suction and pull any item you might have in there out. Isn't that awesome? It's really a nice unit for that. The other thing that I love about this is a lot of us want a little longer hose, but not every day. We might vacuum a couple times a week, but we don't need a longer hose. We need just this for that, for quick cleanings. But let's say we want to do some deep cleaning. The Cibo X7 Pet comes with a stair hose or a cleaning hose. And look at the length on this. You can go this far away from the machine, put your attachment on, you can work up a whole flight of steps, take the machine to the landing and work up the rest of the flight of steps without having to sit there and balance that. Isn't that a fantastic tool? And if you want to do your furniture, things like that, you just put this tool on. This is your upholstery brush. It works amazing for stairs and upholstery and those kinds of things. So this is included in it. And if you have carpeted stairs, or if you have a hairy dog like I do, Nick, this has a turbo tool that comes with it also. So now I have a rotating brush that will actually clean my stairs. And look at the size. It's like a hand vacuum, but with the power of a full-size upright. Isn't this fantastic? This is also great to go out and do your car. So if you have an SUV and you want to get in there and clean all up around there where you put the dog, cat, kids, and otherwise, this is great. You can go out there and climb all through the car and you're not battling with having a vacuum cleaner right at your heels. So Cibo makes a fantastic unit that I think is by far one of the best units on the market. The other feature that this has, if you have some of the more challenging carpets to vacuum today, and when I say challenging carpets, you know, 30 years ago, carpet was pretty much kind of standard. There's not a whole lot of variations, right? Today we have a lot of different kinds of carpets out there. Everything from standard rugs to investment rugs. When I talk about standard and investment, I'm talking about your regular standard rug or an investment rug that might be a wool, a kerosene, a hand woven, rugs like that you want to be careful with when you're vacuuming. Also, the thick pile soft carpets and the real dense carpets that are people buying for their house. They're wonderful to run around on with bare feet, but they're really challenging to vacuum. Well, what's great about the Cibo X7 Pet is it actually has an automatic height adjustment for you that's a sensor that lets the vacuum know how low to go to the carpet that you're vacuuming or go all the way down to bare floor cleaning. So when you turn this on, you're going to hear, this is actually a really quiet machine, it's fantastic. You're going to turn this on, and what this light's going to let me know that it's up right now, then it's going to drop on down where the green light shows that it's gone down on low. I'm ready to vacuum this rug, and I can vacuum this easy. It is so simple. Also, I can drop this down in low profile. This will go under a lot of furniture. Obviously, it won't go under everything. That's what you got the extra hose for. But this vacuum will drop down and do really nice underneath furniture. Then, if I want to go from a different style rug or to bare floor, I don't have to worry about it. It automatically is dropping it down. If you can see the green light, letting me know that, okay, we're going to go down on bare floors now. Isn't that fantastic? That is really a great tool. And Cibo is one of the only companies out there that has a machine that does that for you. It's a sensor. You don't have to worry about it. That really is handy if you have teenage kids at home that you want to have vacuum the house and they just grab it and go and they don't really care about the height adjustments and things. This does it all for them and for you, so you don't have to worry about it. So this unit we've got available. We have it in stock right now. They come with a long extension hose. They come with a turbo tool. So we have everything that you need to have your house all clean and ready for the holidays. So when your family and friends come over, they're going to walk in and go, wow, I can't believe how everything looks so nice and clean. And you can get all of that here from Quality Sewing and Vacuum at any one of our 11 locations or online. So I hope you guys have an amazing holiday. Enjoy the next few months. And remember, you get into any situation with cleaning, we've got you covered.